Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Here is the remaining portion of chapter 1, A Letter to God by G.L. Fuentes. Now we will see line by line explanation in detail. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope: help from God. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. Here in this line, but in the hearts of all. Hearts of all means family members of Lancho, his children and his wife. Lived in that solitary means lonely, who lived alone in the middle of the valley. As we already discussed, children, that he was having undying faith in God. So suddenly his heart filled with hope that no one but God is there to help him. Don't be so upset. After reading this line, we can see or we can feel the pain of Lencho. Why that he was so sad, but his hope giving him strength that no one will die of hunger because God is there to help us. All through the night, Lancho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. So, all through the night, he was just thinking about one hope, his single hope, that help from God. That somebody is there with him, standing with him, that is God. Surely he will help him. That inner voice is coming from his heart. Conscience means an inner sense of right and wrong. So his heart is telling to him that God will definitely help him. Lancho was an ox of a man, working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write. Here, writer given has compared Lancho as ox of a man. Ox of a man means very strong man, very hardworking man, because Lancho was very hardworking. He was working very hard in his fields, but still he knew how to read and write. So the following Sunday, as the day starts, he wrote a letter to God, and he himself went to post office to post his letter. It was nothing less than a letter to God. See here in this line, nothing less than. Nothing less than is a phrase meaning is surprise or very important. So it is very important for Lancho that he is writing a letter to God. But he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until my crop comes. Because the hailstorm, he wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still troubled, went to town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. So he wrote, please help me, God. If you don't help me, my family will go hungry this year. And he asked for 100 pesos. In the letter, for how much money he asked? 100 pesos. Why he asked 100 pesos? To sow his field again. And till then, crop will be ready to live their livelihood, because hailstorm left nothing. One of the employees, who was a postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address. So one of his employee So one of the employee of post office took the letter, and after seeing the letter he started laughing loudly, because first time in his career he saw that somebody wrote letter to God, and then he took the letter and shown to postmaster. Postmaster, a fat, amiable means friendly and pleasant. That he was fat and a friendly nature person. Fellow also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter," starting up a correspondence with God. So he was laughing earlier, but soon he realized that how much faith this man is having in God, that he want to talk to God. Correspondence means communicate with God, that he is communicating with God by writing a letter and telling his problem. So in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. So after seeing the letter, so to keep the faith of that man in God, he wanted to help that man. So he decided to answer the letter. But when he opened the letter and he went through the letter, so he found that something more than, again children, something more than, it's a phrase here, something more than goodwill, ink and paper, means something more is required to help this man. Not a single or not a simple kind words will help this man. Something more we have to do to help this man. This man here means Lancho. But he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. Resolution means solving or setting a problem. So alone he can't help Lancho. So he decided to contribute from his staff also. So he himself given a part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity, as well as his colleagues also contributed some amount from their salary as an act of charity. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos. It was difficult for a postmaster also to collect 100 pesos and provide Lancho. So it's difficult task, but somehow they have collected more than half. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lancho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature, God. So they collected near about 70 pesos and put it in the envelope, and just they simply signed there as God, just to keep his faith in God. The following Sunday, Lancho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. So following means a particular event means after that event. For example, we went to picnic the following Monday evening. So that following Sunday, Lancho came bit early because he was expecting letter from God. Then postman handed him the letter, and while he was giving the letter, he was content. He was satisfied. Here contentment means satisfaction. So he was content that he with his colleagues has performed a good deed, that they have contributed some amount to help this needy person. Lancho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lancho what he had requested. But on the other hand, he was not at all surprised on seeing the money, because he was confident enough about that God will definitely send money to him. But when he was counting the money, he got annoyed, because he thought that he asked for 100 pesos, but he got only 70 pesos. That God will not make any kind of mistake, there is something wrong. So he was suspecting here on the post office people. Immediately, Lancho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. So here, immediately he started writing another letter to God. Wrinkling of his brow means he was confused or surprised that he only received 70 pesos. So immediately when he was writing letter with a certain confusion, again after writing it, he affixed the stamp and dropped in the mailbox. When he posted the letter in the mailbox, the moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, "God of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks." Lancho. So when Lancho affixed the stamp again, then he fixed the stamp with blow of his fist. Fist means we can say a hand with fingers close together tightly, or we can say in Hindi mutti. So he affixed the stamp with the blow of his fist. The moment as the letter fell into the mailbox, postmaster picked up the letter and start reading it. And while reading it, see what he found, what Lancho has written. "God of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me." That I asked 100 pesos, but only 70 pesos reached to me. Please send me rest of the money as soon as possible. Because he is needy, he wanted money badly, so he asked remaining 30 pesos. Please send me this 30 pesos as soon as possible, but don't send it to me through the mail. And he marked a note over there, please don't send me through the mail, because this post office people, these employees are bunch of crooks. Bunch of crooks means cheaters or dishonest people. These post office people are dishonest, they are cheaters. So please don't send money through mail. And he written his name Lancho there in the letter. So here children, this is the sarcasm of the chapter. Lancho blamed those who helped him. Here this comes to an end. So here children, please go through the chapter once again and complete the value points and write answer of the questions given in the textbook on your own. For any of the help, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, and take care.